Can you see my screen, Simon?
Yeah, yes, I can see.
Okay, good. So, we're here now at Unit 5. It is about food and entertaining. Okay,
Yeah.
so on this unit, we will talk about foods. Okay, so let's have this starting up activity. Okay, on this activity, you will answer this question: what kind of food do or don't you like? Make adjectives from these countries. For example, this country, China. If you like the food of Chinese, you will say, I like Chinese food. Another example is Italy. If you love Italian food, you will say I love Italian food. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in France.
I like French food.
Okay, you like French food. Okay, next, Japan.
Uh, I love Japanese food.
Okay, very good. I love Japanese food. Next one, Germany.
Um, I like Germany food.
Okay, the correct adjective to describe anything related to Germany is German. So it is
Yeah,
German food.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, how about the Thailand?
Uh, I don't like Thai Thailand food.
Okay, it's Thai food.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how about Russia?
I don't like Russia food.
Okay, it's Russian food.
Russian. Yeah.
Okay. Next, India.
I don't like India food.
Okay, it's Indian food. Okay. Okay, next one, Sweden.
Sweden.
Okay, what
I
is that?
I like I like Sweden. Sweden.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's Swedish food. Swedish. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the Turkey?
I like Turkey. Turkey
Uh,
roll food.
okay, it's Turkish raw food.
Teacher, you can write the food of the country.
Okay, okay, I will write it
Yeah,
for you.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, wait. So do you want me to start in France?
yeah. Friends.
Okay, it's French, Japanese, Thai food. Next is Russian. Next is Indian, Swedish, Turkish, British, Greek, Spanish, and Mexican. Okay, so these are the country food.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank teacher.
Yes, you're welcome. Where are we now? In Turkey, right?
Yeah, Turkey.
Okay,
Uh,
Turkey. This is the Turkey.
yeah. Turkey. I don't like Turkish food.
Okay, Turkish food. Next one, the UK. This one, British.
Yeah. I like British food.
Okay, you like British food. Next is Greece.
Um, I like I like Greek food.
Okay, you like Greek foods.
Yeah.
Next one is Spain.
I like Spanish food.
Okay, very good. You like Spanish food. How about the Italian food?
I like uh, Italian food.
Okay, you like Italian foods. And last one, the Mexico.
I don't like Mexican food.
Okay, you don't like Mexican food. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue here in activity B. Match the typical dishes to the adjectives, then make sentences. So these are the dishes and these are the adjectives, the country.
Yeah.
Okay, for
Yeah.
example, this one, curry is an Indian food.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will make it like that. Okay, how
Yeah.
about the snails? Okay, if you don't know the answer, you can try to make guess.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, how about the snails?
Now I think friend.
Okay, very good. Snails is a French dish. Very good. Next one, the sushi.
Sushi is a Japanese dish.
Yes, very good. Sushi is a Japanese food. Okay, next one, the spaghetti.
Spaghetti is an Italian dish.
Okay, very good. Spaghetti is an Italian dish. Next one, the goulash.
The goulash is a Hungarian dish.
Yes, very good. It's Hungarian. Hungarian
Hungarian
dish. Okay, next, burger.
burger. Burger is a Spanish dish.
Okay, it's American dish. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next, paella.
Paella is a Chinese dish.
Okay, it's Spanish food.
Yeah.
Okay?
Uh,
Okay, next, sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken um, are a Chinese dish.
Okay, yes, it's Chinese dish. And next, the fajitas.
Fai- Fajitas. Uh,
Fajitas.
Fajitas is a Mexican dish.
Okay, very good. It's a Mexican dish. Okay, next one. What other typical dishes do you know? Do you know some typical dishes aside from these dishes here? Do you know another dishes?
Uh, Bencast is yeah
Pancakes?
Bencast
Okay.
is a Vietnam dish.
Oh,
Vietnamese.
oh, it's a Vietnamese dish. Okay. So that's it. Do you have anything else? Oh, do you
Uh,
know how to cook that?
yeah.
Do you know how to cook that?
Uh, no, I don't know. I don't know more.
Okay, okay. Okay, so let's move on here. Um, in your country, do business people usually have business breakfast?
Um, if, ah, if we miss um if we miss them the first time, uh, we in my country, if we miss the first time, we the normally we don't have business breakfast.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Next one. Can you please read this one? Do business people usually this one number 2.
yeah. Number two, um, like like number one. If if we meet the business bureau the first time, we cannot in entertain at home, but if we meet many times or friendly, we can invite them to entertain at home.
Okay. How about this one? Do business people usually entertain business people at the weekend?
Weekend, yes, yes. We can entertain business people every weekend in my country.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Let's go here in this one. Choose the add one out in each group of food words below. Use the words from the box to explain your answers. Okay, for example, in number 1, salmon, tuna, cod, and onion. So you will remove the onion here because it's kind of this one vegetable. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, how about number 2? Beef, apple, lamb, and chicken. What will you remove?
Apple,
Okay, because
fruits.
okay, very good. Because it's a kind of fruit. Okay, how about number 3? Carrots, peas, trout, and broccoli. What will you remove?
Uh, throw, fruit.
Okay, throat. Okay,
Yeah,
why?
throw. Is a kind of seafood.
Okay, that's not a seafood, that is
Fish.
a fish.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a kind of fish. Okay, how about this one? Veal, grapes, cherries, and peaches. What will you remove?
Uh, veal
Okay, veal, why?
is a kind of meat.
Okay, yes, very good. It's a kind of meat. And last one, cabbage, prawns, cauliflower, and aubergine. What will you remove here?
Mm, but
Okay, prawns.
prawns
Okay, why will you remove that?
is a kind of seafood.
Yes, very good. You are correct. It's a kind of seafood. Okay, next. Okay, look at these words for parts of a menu. Write the dishes from the box on the left under the correct headings. So these are the dishes. Can you see it? Or I will make it bigger.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So
Yes.
you will write the dishes from its appropriate box. For example, this one soup. It is belong to starter.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, how about the steak? Is it a starter, main course, or dessert?
I think main course.
Okay, very good. It's a main course. Okay, do you want me to type it? To write it?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
I want.
Okay, so it is belong to main course. Okay, how about this one?
Waiting.
Pate. Okay, where it belong?
I think starter.
Okay, yes, it belong to starter. Okay, next one, the salad.
Salad
Yes.
belongs the starter.
Yes, it also belong to starter. Next one, ice cream.
Ice cream belong dessert.
Yes, very good. Next one is grilled fish.
Real fish. I think belong main course.
Okay, very good. Correct. It is belong to main course.
Main course.
Okay, next one is fruit.
Fruits belong to desserts.
Yes, correct. It is belong to dessert. Next is the chocolate mouse.
Chocolate small belong to desserts.
Okay, very good. Correct.
Mm.
Next one is the spring rolls.
Spring roll belong to starter.
Okay, yes, correct. It is belong to starter. Next is the tiramisu.
I don't know. Tiramisu.
Okay, it belong to dessert.
Yeah,
Okay?
dessert.
Yes. Next one is cheesecake.
Chicken, I think belong to starter.
Okay, it is belong to dessert.
Yeah, dessert.
Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Next one is the pork.
The pork belong to main course.
Yes, it is belong to main course. Next is roast duck.
Roast duck, I think belong to main course.
Okay, very good. Correct. Next one is the maton.
Person, I don't know this.
Okay, it is
Yeah.
belong to main course. Next one is this prawn cocktail.
Prawn cocktail. belong to desserts.
Okay, it is belong to starter. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next is beef stew.
Uh, beef stew belong to main course.
Okay, yes, it belong to main course. Next is apple pie.
Apple pie belong to desserts.
Okay, very good. It is belong to dessert.
Mm.
And last is the stuffed mushroom.
Uh, stuffed mushroom belong to starter.
Okay, yes, very good. It is belong to starter. Okay, so we're done here. Let's go. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, this one, the activity C, I will give it as a homework. I will explain it later, okay? So let's
Yeah.
skip this one. Okay, let's have this one. Choose the correct word to complete each of these sentences. Okay, can you read and answer number one?
Um, you ask for the menu as the start of a meal.
Okay, very good. The correct answer is menu because as at the start of the meal, you would ask for the menu to look over the food and drink option before placing your order. Okay, next
Yeah.
one, number two.
You ask for the check as oh, yeah check
Okay.
at the end of a meal in London.
Oh, wait. Okay, so the correct answer is bill. Okay, because in London, it is most common to ask
Ah,
for the bill at the end of the meal. Okay, bill
yeah,
is the preferred term in British English.
yeah.
Okay, how about number three?
You ask for the bill at the end of a meal in New York.
Okay, so in New York, it use check. Okay, it is
Yeah,
more common to ask for the check at the end of the meal, while this one bill is commonly used in British English. Americans typically say check, okay, in
yeah,
a restaurants.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
last
Mm.
number four.
You ask for receipt receipt after you buy.
Okay, very good. You ask for the receipt after you pay. Okay, after you pay, it is correct to ask for the receipt if you want a record of the transaction, okay?
Yeah,
Okay. Next activity is you are going to listen to an audio. It is about a man and a woman are ordering a meal in a restaurant. Okay? So
yeah,
later you will answer this one. Okay, let's us listen first to the audio.
yeah.
Okay, hold on for a while. Can you hear that? This one. Can you hear it?
Uh, you can press play. Cannot now.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I cannot hear.
Oh, you cannot hear. Okay, wait for a while.
and entertaining.
How about
Yes.
this one?
Yeah, already.
Okay, so listen carefully to the audio, and
Yeah,
if you want to take down notes, okay, you can take down notes, okay?
yeah.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
Track 64.
Would you like a starter?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Well, the escargot, the snails in garlic butter are very tasty. And the tomato soup is very good here.
I'd like the tomato soup.
Great. And I think I'll have the snails. What would you like for your main course?
Can you help me with the menu? What's paella?
It's Spanish. It's a kind of rice dish. It's made with seafood.
That sounds nice. I'll have that.
Right. I think I'll have the spaghetti. Shall we order dessert later? Well, how about some dessert?
Actually, I've eaten too much. I'm full. I think I'll just have a coffee.
Okay. And I'll have the apple pie.
Okay, so you will answer this one, Simon. For example, on starter, the woman ordered soup. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want me to play it again?
Yes, I want.
Okay, okay.
Unit 5. Food and entertaining. Track 64.
Would you like a starter?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Well, the escargot, the snails in garlic butter are very tasty. And the tomato soup is very good here.
I'd like the tomato soup.
Great. And I think I'll have the snails. What would you like for your main course?
Can you help me with the menu? What's paella?
It's Spanish. It's a kind of rice dish. It's made with seafood.
That sounds nice. I'll have that.
Right. I think I'll have the spaghetti. Shall we order dessert later? Well, how about some dessert?
Actually, I've eaten too much. I'm full. I think I'll just have a coffee.
Okay. And I'll have the apple pie.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready or do you want me to play it again?
Yes. Enough.
Okay, so you will now answer the question.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What did the man ordered in the starter?
She ordered snail.
Okay, very good. So the man ordered snail. How about the main course? What did the woman ordered in the main course?
Spaghetti.
Okay, that is not the correct. Okay, do you want me to reveal the answer or do you want to try another answer?
Um. So did a dealer.
Okay, yes, it's paella. Okay,
Paella. Yeah.
so the woman ordered paella. Okay, next one. How about the man? What did the man ordered in the main course?
The man order spaghetti.
Okay, yes, spaghetti. Okay, next in dessert. So what did the woman ordered in dessert?
Woman. Woman. I heard woman order the coffee, but the shop don't have coffee.
Okay, yes. She ordered coffee, but there is no coffee here in the option. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. How about the man?
The man order apple pie.
Yes, very good, correct. He ordered apple pie. Okay, very good. So, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so here in activity F, you will going to listen again to an audio, and after that you will put these sentences into the order you would hear them during a meal. For example, first is this one. Would you like a starter? Okay?
Yeah, yeah,
So I will let you listen to the audio now.
yeah,
Okay, just take note again
yeah.
for
Unit
you to
5.
answer. Okay, can you read? Can you hear
Ye-
that?
Yes, can help.
Okay, okay.
Food and entertaining. Track 65.
Would you like a starter?
I'd like the soup, please. What do you recommend for the main course?
You should try the roast duck. It's delicious. Would you like a dessert?
No thanks, I'm full.
Right, I'll get the bill.
Thanks very much. That was a lovely meal. I really enjoyed it.
Okay, I will play it again.
Unit 5. Food and entertaining. Track 65.
Would you like a starter?
I'd like the soup, please. What do you recommend for the main course?
You should try the roast duck. It's delicious. Would you like a dessert?
No thanks, I'm full.
Right, I'll get the bill.
Thanks very much. That was a lovely meal. I really enjoyed it.
Okay, are you done? Or do
Yeah,
you want me
yes,
to play it again? Are you done?
yeah, yes, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, so the first is this one. Would you like a starter? Okay, what do you think is next to this?
I like the shop, please.
Okay, very good. This one, I like the soup, please. Okay, very good. And then next.
What do you recommend for the main course?
Okay, very good. This is number 3. Okay, next.
You should try the roast duck. It's delicious.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Okay, next one.
Would you like a dessert?
Okay, very good. That is correct. Okay, next one.
No, thanks. I'm full.
Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, next one.
Rice. I will get the bill.
Okay, very good. Correct. This is the next. And last one.
Thanks very much. That was a lovely meal. I really enjoyed this.
Okay,
This.
very good. Very good. You are correct. You got a perfect score. Good job. Okay, next one. Okay, let's answer this question. Okay. Do you have a fast food chain in your country? Do you have a fast food chain in your country?
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
My country.
if yes, how often do you eat in fast food chain?
Fast food. Um, for fast food, the children love them, love it, love the fast food, but the old people, I think they don't like the fast food.
Okay, so your children, am I right?
Yeah,
They always eat in a fast food chain or sometimes?
uh, sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How popular are they in your country? Is it very popular in your country? The fast food chain?
Yeah, Did a each mark from fish, each mark from seafood. Yeah. Example, shrimp food, shrimp fast food, fish fast food.
Okay, okay. Who is the typical customer of the fast food chain? Is that students, families, or what?
Typical.
This one, who is a typical customer?
Typical. Yeah, teacher, you can explain for typical. I don't.
Okay, for
Yeah, I don't.
example, the typical customer is like the families, students, like
Ah,
that.
yeah. The student are yeah, student are always use fast food.
Okay, the students.
Yeah,
Okay, very good. Okay, let's answer this one. How do they change their menus for the local market? Do you have any idea about this one? On how do they change their menus for the local market?
yeah.
Or do you want me to explain it to you?
Yeah. I uh, I am thinking.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. For instance, I don't understand. I uh, I am difficult to give you the answer.
Okay, okay, that's okay. So
Yeah.
just listen, okay? So restaurants and food chains often adapt their menus to fit local tastes, cultural preferences, and dietary restrictions. For example, do you know McDonald's?
Yes. I know
Okay,
McDonald.
so it is a fast food chain. In India, where a large portion of the population does not eat beef or pork, McDonald's offers vegetarian options like the McAloo Tiki Burger and a
Ah,
paneer wrap. Okay?
yeah.
And then in Japan, McDonald's offer different menus. For example, a beef fillet o it's a shrimp burger. Okay,
Yeah.
to cater to local tastes. Okay? So
Yeah.
they change their menus for the local market so that it will fit the local taste of the people.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's proceed here to the article. And after that, you will answer this one. Do international fast food companies need to change their menus to be successful in India? Okay, so the
Yeah.
article is about India likes fast food chains. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so Can you please start read it? This
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Busy live, higher salaries, and an increasing number of women at work all mean there is a lot of demand in India for less food in India. Uh, MC Donald has a lot of fans because of its low price and vegetable dish. At Atlanta, the MC Dolan as Mumbai Phoenix Mill, ở Big Shopping Center is full of colleague,
College.
college students, mother and office worker. Um, XJA Butter 30 has a week learn as MC Donald at least one a week rather than carry a lunch box from home as a lot of Indians still do. Sahan uh, Amlani 30 a store manager spends RS50 $1 on an afternoon snack as MC Donald while a week and tax his family for MC Donald meals spending about RS 300 about $6 every weekend. International fast food company like MC Donald now how important it is to adapt their food for Indian tasty. They make the menu more spicy and they offer more vegetarian dish or as a low price. In its restaurant, MC Donald does not offer any beef dish because the mainly Hindu population does not eat beef. Instead, in, instead it offers mutton and chicken, hamara, mash, Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC adapts its chicken dish for local tastes with the use of spices and cooking techniques. The bi-
Techniques.
techniques.
Okay.
The Pizza Hut menu has a mix of Indian and international dishes. Enough chain director of marketing of Pizza Hut Indian says we adapt 20%, 20% of our menu for Indian taste. About 60% of viewers are vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. So we have a lot more variety,
Vegetarian.
vegetarian topping,
Vegetarian. Okay, one
veg,
more time.
yeah, vegetarian,
Okay, very good.
yeah, vegetarian topping on our pizzas.
Okay, very good. So you can read this one as McDonald's. Okay.
McDonald's,
Okay, it's McDonald's.
yeah,
Okay.
McDonald's.
Now let's answer this one. Um, do international fast food companies need to change their menus to be successful in India? What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, very good. Yes, international fast food companies need to adapt their menus to succeed in India due to cultural, religious, and dietary preferences, as well as what I have said earlier, the local taste test. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's answer some questions. Okay, let's match the words 1 to 5 to their meanings A to E. Okay? So for number 1, salaries. What do you think is the meaning of salaries?
Salaries.
Okay, just choose here in A, B, C, D, and E.
Salaries uh, will connect to the money people earn for their job.
Okay, very good. Correct, that is the meaning. The money people earn for their jobs. How about the demand?
Demand. Demand. I think it will connect to the needs people have for service.
Okay, correct. That is the correct answer. The need people have for a service. How about the adapt?
Adapt. Connects to change something.
Okay, very good. It means that change something.
Change.
Okay, how about the taste test?
They change. They change. I think connect to the kind of thing that someone likes.
Okay, very good. That's correct. It is the kind of things that someone likes. And last one, the spicy.
Spicy connect to will a strong and hot flavor.
Okay, very good. It is a strong and a hot flavor. Okay, very good. Next one is let's answer this one. It is questions related to the text that you have read. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to answer it directly or I do you want to give me to give I give you a time to write your answer and then you will share it to me later because it's so many question.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to answer it directly?
No, I think keep it for homework.
Okay, do you want to Okay, I will give you a time now,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay? To
Yeah.
answer
Yeah. Yeah.
it. Okay?
Yeah.
Just write it on your paper, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
Yes. Maybe me.
Okay. I will wait for you. Just tell me if you are done, okay?
Yeah.
Do you have a copy of the text there?
Uh,
Okay, this one. Do you have this one there? This
and
one?
no, I don't need because I have Tero. I can see
Okay,
it.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, so in number 1, what type of customer goes to the Phoenix Mills McDonald's at lunchtime?
This is a big shopping center.
Again, can you repeat your answer?
Customer will to a big shopping center.
Okay, so the question here, Simon, is what type
Ah,
of customers?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. That's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. It's college student, model, and office worker.
Yes, very good. That's it. So it's college students, mothers, and office workers. Okay, how about this one? How many times a week does Akshaya Bata go to McDonald's?
Less one a week.
Okay, very good. Correct. At least once a week. Next, how much does Sahal Amlani typically spend in McDonald's at weekends?
Every weekend.
Okay, how much?
Uh,
Okay.
uh, why a week?
No. The pay that he spend,
Yeah. Uh, spend.
the money. Okay, the money
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Six dollar.
Sahal Amlani. Okay, let me look. Okay, it's this one, RS50 or $1.10. Can you see it?
Yeah. I can see.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's the answer. Okay, next is how do these fast food companies adapt their menus for Indian customers? Okay, the McDonald offers what?
Much Donna does not offer.
Does
Uh,
not offer.
yeah. Madonna not offer.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so they does not offer any beef dishes. Instead, they offer more vegetarian dishes. Okay?
Dạ, dạ.
Okay, how about the in its chicken dishes KFC uses? What KFC uses?
KFC. KFC, I don't find
Okay,
this.
that's all right. That's all right. This one. Look, this one. It use of Indian spices. Okay, so this is the
Yeah,
KFC.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, next one is Pizza Hut has.
Pizza has 20 percent for our menu for India states. 60% of people are vegetarian.
Yes, very good. You are correct. They have a mix of Indian and international dishes. Very good. Okay, last one. Okay, why is it necessary to make these changes? Okay, why do you think they need to make changes in their menu?
Yeah. I think the owner want to sell a lot of the dishes from them.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's all of your answer.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
Okay, so they have several reasons, okay, to change their menus. One of the reason is about cultural, next is religious, next is economic factors, okay?
Yeah.
In short, adapting to the Indian markets help international fast food chains not only attract a broader customer base but also foster a stronger, more culturally relevant brand presence in India. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's stop here. Let's
Yeah.
continue this one on our next class because it's almost time. And for your homework, this one. Okay, wait for a while. Oh, this one. Think of some unusual food from your country or country you have visited. Okay? And then
Yeah.
you will describe that food. For example, this one, it's a kind of, you have it as what? As a starter or main course or dessert. Okay? And
Yeah.
then you eat it with potatoes or rice, or you are the one to make or change this one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's up to you. What will you
Yeah.
write? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it for tonight. Thank you for your time, Simon. Okay, see
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
again on our next class.
Yeah. Thank you, teacher.
Okay,
Yeah.
goodbye. You're welcome.
Yeah. Good night.
Goodbye. Good night, Simon.